Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Zishan and you are watching Life in China. Guys, as you know, I bought DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and recently I am learning how to use this camera. So I took several videos. Today I thought I should take a video while I'm in a car. So maybe we can shoot some videos in dark side and we can also shoot some videos in light side. I can show you light view and dark view, so you guys can also compare uh, what is the quality and resolution of this camera. So recently I am going to check the quality of this camera. You guys can see I'm in a taxi right now and we are stopped on signal, so you can see the view outside. Yeah guys, you can see the beauty of this city. The city is also very beautiful and have some charming places here. So I'm trying to go somewhere and show you some beautiful locations. The taxi driver, he is very fast. You guys can see. And let me show you how to zoom this video. Yeah, here you can see there is a tunnel in front of us, and what a beautiful scenery. Let me tell you one thing. You can see here in China the system is very good. So if you travel in a taxi, you don't need to pay in advance. When you get off from the taxi, you will use APP and your the fare will deduct from your APP, and there is no negotiation, no bargaining when you get on into the taxi. So you will not bargain with the driver and you will say that how much you will charge, where do you want to go. So here the system is good. Just book your taxi from APP and guys, just arrived at this place, and this place is the Universiade subway station, and you can see behind me there is a sports complex. And right now I heard that there is a game activity here. It's, two teams, they are playing badminton match, and you can see security personnel there. In fact, this place is quite lively and beautiful. So you can see many people, many food stall here. People come here and they buy food and enjoy, and they are getting tickets and going inside this sports complex. And also you can see there is shopping mall. So we will go get into this shopping mall and let's see what is inside. And you guys can see these are the public toilets, how China is developed right now. So clean and very beautiful. Design is so attractive. McDonald's is here. Yeah guys, you can see 5-star flags everywhere. Recently Chinese National Day is there, celebrating these days, and many people outside because Shenzhen is lively city. If you come to Shenzhen, you visit, look around, you will see many beautiful places, and you will also see Shenzhen have seaside, so come and visit. I will suggest everyone. Guys, let me show you some surroundings views. You can see here small lake, I think. Yeah, and this street is right now crowded, many people here, and you can see the moon is rising. Wow. Stand here for a while and feel peaceful. Yeah, it's a cool breeze here. Some people, they are catching fish here. I don't think so there is fish here. Energy, they have small solar panels here and they are using for lighting, so everywhere in China they use solar energy, and in street lights and traffic. Yeah, now I'm on top of the Universiade building. Behind me you can see moonrise, and you can see in front of me how beautiful. Wow, wonderful view. This is amazing. Let me show you some dark side, and you can see how this camera works. I think it's quite beautiful because here is too dark, but you can see the video is very clear. Also see the architecture of this building. Wow, wonderful, beautiful. It's quite brilliant. This path is very beautiful. You see many people, they are sitting and enjoying. This is just like a small lake, and they are walking around this lake, enjoying cool breeze right now. The weather is quite good, and they are feeling peaceful. Usually Chinese, they come and sit here. The view is outstanding, amazing. Yeah, I don't know why they didn't light up the other blocks. Looking very beautiful. On that side they didn't turn on lights, I think. But here you can see in front of me the Chinese University of Hong Kong, Shenzhen campus. The university is here, I think. And this ground is very beautiful, very peaceful. And it's quite lively and very outstanding, many people. The location is very beautiful. I like this place, and you can see behind me the light, outstanding, and also this way amazing, and this way amazing. Guys, I want to buy sweet potato. This sweet potato, this kind of sweet potato is very delicious. So let's have a try and see. This kind of is very delicious. 朋友多少钱? Guys, let me show you this KKV. KKV is a brand, Chinese brand. So we see inside what is there. I think all kind of stuff is here. Very big. Wow. Guys, I will wind up this video here, and if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel. And I like this place actually. In fact, I am not a professional vlogger. I just shoot some videos and want that my viewers can watch beautiful places in China, and also I want to show you Chinese culture. The main purpose of our YouTube channel is to disseminate our research, and we want that we show you our research articles, and you guys can watch our research articles and can download. And if you are a researcher, if you are a student, you can also follow our research. And if you have new ideas, you can share with us. If you are a company, you can also contact with us. We can start cooperation with you. So this place is quite beautiful. You can see this place and view here, a wonderful view. So I will show you some more beautiful places in the future, and I will also show you the Chinese culture, how the people in China they spend their lives, and they live, and what are their customs, and you know, the rituals. So in future I'm going to Japan, so I will shoot some more videos. Stay tuned with us and watch our videos. See you in next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.